What's up? I want my nice, clean, beautiful people. Wanna up so yes, people. So today, I'm gonna touch upon the little topic with Jira and Ken and Nickii and Klyne. Guys, they said to each his own, and somebody said to me, say, Corey, when you're straightforward, when I do something on this, when I get in a big YouTuber business, that's first thing first. But I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on this whole situation, right? Me feel say GK, which I love GK, I'm a love Nickii and Klyne. You understand? I love the both party. Is the me? I know about GK before I know about Nickii and Klyne. But I love both of them. But I think sometimes people can give people time before actually bashing them. You know? Meaning Gio and Ken should have wait first. Give Nickii and Klyne a little more time. You understand? Before them do the video. You understand? Before them do the video. But hope is a prank, never prank, you know, because me sit down and I say, blood please. From yesterday, I watch them video, me de back to back, me I watch them and I say, I want never prank them one of that. Because there's no way me can text somebody and ask them something. And me can text somebody and ask them something and I'm going to get vexed and do a video about it. You understand? That is not what mother even post. So me I say, I want never prank them, I try prank with. But I'm still going to go and wait to know what only thing people. You understand? And on the other hand, as I always tell people, being a YouTuber, you see the bigger you get. You see the bigger you get, the more busier you're going to be. Remember, people will come to you with deals and different. You're going to get all kind of deals to the promotion. This. Sometimes you're not going to see your text. A lot of time, me not lie, even me and my man goes over this. When I say, you read my message, I say, babes, I did not see your message. He must say, yes, because it shows say you read the message. You understand? Not because it shows say a person read, and all time, these things are robot. Them will do things what you're not supposed to do. Them are robots. You know? So people might be busy when them really can't answer them texts and things where so them get big. I bet say them want to reach out to a smaller YouTuber. You understand? This is what people are supposed to talk about. You understand? Why they didn't reach out to a small YouTuber, like one of them small YouTuber there, where have a look 1K or a look 2K or from 10K down. Why they never reach out to one of them small YouTuber there and say, you know what? May I go give them a push. You know? May I go do some video with the YouTuber here so I can give them a push. They will not do that. They're not going to do it. They're not going to do it. You see me? But I love the two of them. But the moral of the whole thing is, people will stop live selfish. Them will stop live selfish. Because I'm watching Nickii and Klyne before them reach 1,000 subs. And them blow up so fast. Like, I was so proud of them. Because, listen, but enough time and me first go on them video. I never get a shout out yet, but I still watch them. I don't miss them video. Like, I love them so much. I love Nickii and Klyne because them just raw. I like the gangsterness about Klyne. You understand? I like how them stay. Them just be themselves. You know? Them not pretty up nothing or nothing. You see me? So when them go extreme. Them not care. Them just go extreme. So I gravitate to them. I like them something there. You see me? I don't want to watch nothing and feel like I watch a fake prank. I know them prank real. From when him run Nickii belly, to when Nickii give him dog food for him, to all of them something there. Them things they don't miss me. So I really love them. Jira and Ken on the other hand, I love them. But them should never do that video there. Where them post. Unless it's a prank, them I try prank with. But I still there sit down and try to wait. I want to comment and tell me if no the wait for see what's going to be the outcome of this whole situation. What you think? You think I prank them a prank with? What do you think? I want to tell me what I think about the whole situation. If you think I prank them a prank with, I think I really think. Because me would have say Gio and Ken wrong. If I not prank, would I say them wrong? Trust me, because Nickii them so humble. Like, I don't know much about none of them personal life. And me is not a YouTuber that's gonna bash a next YouTuber. But by looking at things, she's a nice person. You understand? Likewise, Kenny look like a nice person. Only thing I know, she jealous sometimes. And she don't want Gio have no friend and them something there. But you know, I saw some woman stay. Because I know for woman stay the way there. You understand? You see me? So I'm not going to bash her for that. Because to each his own. You see me? But Ken is a real girl. I can't see that. You understand? As Klyne say, if I never the woman, him not going to answer this. Because him not in a mix up on a YouTube. You know me? You see me? Him not in a mix up bagga things pan YouTube. No, the man say not depend them something there. Someone wanna tell me what wanna think about this whole Gio and Ken situation and Nickii and Klyne. You see me? You know Klyne a bad artist. Now for them never want to make it out. Them never want to make it out. I will listen while I'm showing them so. Cause I'm a real fan. You see me? I don't miss them video them. Like as I get them, poop, I watch them. Most of the time I me first comment, as I tell you. You know? But I hope I prank them with because this really not look good. Because them are like two of the top YouTubers at Jamaica. You see me? Gio and Ken, you know, them are be the top. So them really supposed to set example. Them supposed to set example. I may not be in Jamaica, but them supposed to set example for our YouTubers. This is not something you call up people, oh, I text them and she never answer and why is them say? I text her and never answer and I never want to do a video with them. But the girl never said she want to do a video with you. So if it's not a prank, for you say that you're real out of place, Kenny. I tell you the truth, you're out of place. For you say that and people don't want to go tell me some ask something over my ear. When I watch my video there, my hot girl. You see me? Because I don't want to stay. You know? Me never like that. You see the part where she said, oh, I mean I want to video with them. I did not like that. I never like it. I still have support them still, but I never like it because I go contact the truth. You understand? Somebody said, Corey, why you do something on the topic here? But I really never want to touch this. Because this is kind of like a big mixy. And I don't want to get in another drama. But because when people ask me certain things, because if I check out my live and watch my live, then I know I talk my mind. Whatever people ask me, I'm going to tell them my mind. You know? Whatever people ask me, I'm going to tell them my mind. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to tell you how I feel about a situation. So if you want to hear the truth, and you ask me something, you make sure so you really want to hear the truth. Because Corey Goodas are going to tell you the truth. She not going to pretty up nothing. She not going to neat up nothing. And she not going to nice up nothing for nobody. She going to tell you exactly how it is. Yes. But Gio and Ken, you see, if I'm a prank, we don't need to apologize to Nickii and Klyne. Y'all deserve to give them an apology. Because you're not supposed to know better than that. You're a veteran YouTuber Jamaica. That's why I expect better from Uno. Me expect better from Uno. Yes, I do. I do expect better from you guys. Yeah. Uno a veteran YouTuber. Remember say Uno first start that thing down in Jamaica, you know, like Uno one of the first to push out there, you know. A long time I watching, you know. Then Nickii and Klyne come around and them a do good, you know. You see me, them a put in them work, them a prank them one another back to back. And for you see the prank them then do no fake prank and no fake nothing. Them shit is real. You know how I feel good when I see them move from one yes so to this so. What do I say? Blow out. But you know see all of the Jamaican YouTuber them, all of them are move going to them nice uptown apartment. And I feel so good for them. You understand? I feel so good. Because I don't know the American YouTuber them, when them get big, them gonna them big mansion, whether if I rent them or them lease them or whatever. So I feel good for the whole of them. When I see Nickii and Klyne move and the whole of them move, you know, the whole brother and them and friend of them move and Image and Dolly move and one of them must say yes. Jamaica they on the map, you know. So Kenny and Gio, you see if this is a prank, or they deserve to apologize to the fans and to Nickii and Klyne. This is nothing about being bully. Cause you see if one do them something, people are gonna look down upon you. You understand? Enough people now gonna rate you no more. We need to apologize to the people them. Yeah. Y'all need to. Them deserve an apology if it's not a prank. You know, remember, so I make sure say I use the word prank because me the hope says a prank. because it don't look good. It don't look good. And if me would answer to, me not being a bigger person. She said she be a bigger person and text you. You text somebody. I bet say if I text someone right now and answer me. I'm not a broke girl, but because I go look for my YouTube channel and I go say, but well on there, she not on followers, but because I don't know me, you're not gonna answer me. You're not gonna answer me. You know who me reach out to what day, even though something me did reach out about. And them answer. But not even if say that. And she answer me within no time. She. Like within less than an hour, she answer back. That's how I always rate them. Them are two YouTuber way. Them in my heart right so. King and Shay. Them in my heart. You see me? So on the need for live good, on the YouTubers, on the need for live good. Live and lead with love. And the whole bagger and fight against one another. And because this I wanna get big, all of a sudden I want to do video with them. You understand? And when them the little, I'm sure I wanna call them. So if you don't feel that weird there about you calling them and they didn't come, reach out to two small YouTubers. Reach out to two small YouTubers. Yes, that's what I said. Reach out to two small YouTubers and make them know say you don't want to do two videos with them. Enough small YouTubers does come over on a page. You understand? Because me a girl, let me watch video, me read comment. Go reach out to two of them, man. I make them reach. I look at 1K. Never me I say 1K. I look at 10K. Reach out to them. Nothing is wrong with that. Nothing at all. Nothing at all is wrong with that. Reach out to two. You don't reach out to a big one. You don't get nowhere near them. You understand? Reach out to the small one them too. Make them make a food too. Reach out to them. Unna see how Nickii and Klyne them live with them family them. Unna say everybody around them a do YouTube. And not just them alone. Because they want everybody make money. So that for sure so them are good people. And not just one of them. You don't notice Klyne music video. As him use him Klyne name. Pan Viva. Klyne I music name and Klyne I'm YouTube name. You don't realize that him doing one of music video them. And I'm friend them and him friend them woman and something. The whole of them in it. You don't realize and him brother them. That for sure say I'm a good youth. Because it have no family member. Them not try push other families, family member, Them alone want big, and say them my star in the family, I want the whole of my family rich. Me want everybody in my family rich. I don't want me alone have things. I want everybody have it. You understand? So if me they make it, me I go put your hand to try and make it. If you don't want to do it, that's up to you. But me I go try and force you and push you to do good. You know? But if on a prank, my last say, only need to apologize to the NK gang. Big up on yourself, people. One love, Magan. The problem is not when you fall. The problem is when you rise. Because some of the most successful people in a life has a story. And if you do know them story, they more appreciate them glory.